Donald Trump Family Tree, Juan Camilo Escobar Zúñiga. Donald Trump is the President of the United States of America. For this reason, he is the second most powerful person in the world. He was born on June 14, 1940 in the New York borough of Queens. He is 74 years old and before becoming a politician he was a businessman and television personality. He is a man of strength that contrasts with his business skill that has allowed him to reap a great fortune. Donald Trump has been married times. The following family tree corresponds to his first marriage to Ivana Trump, Marla Maples, Melanie Trump. Ivana Trump. They were married for 15 years. She has born in 1949 in Czechoslovakia. She is model, skier, celebrity, writer, designer, and business woman. During their marriage, they had three children, Donald, Ivanka, and Eric. This is Donald Trump. He is the oldest. He is 42 years old. He is the older brother of Ivanka and Eric. This is Ivanka Trump. She is the middle daughter. She is 38 years old. She has three children, Arabella, Joseph, and Theodore. They are grandchildren of Donald and Ivana Trump. He is Arabelle. He is older than Joseph and Theodore. She is 9 years old and she is niece of Donald Trump and Eric Trump. This is Joseph Frederick Kushner. She is 6 years old. He is younger than Arabelle and older than Theodore. This is Eric Trump. She is 36 years old. He is the youngest son of Donald and Ivanka Trump. For me, it has been a pleasure to make this presentation. I hope it has been to your liking. Marla Maples, daughter Tiffany Trump. Melanie Trump, child Baron Trump. Thank you very much.